Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using the dialer and the second is using the settings. So let me show you the first one. It is using the dialer, so let's open it. And now let's type *#06#. And as you can see by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers, so let's click on OK and get back. And let me show you another way to do it. Simply tap on the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system. Now let's tap on About Phone and here we have to choose the status. Let's scroll down and as you can see here we've got the serial number, and if you want to check IMEI, just tap on IMEI information. And here we are provided with both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.